So today I'll be showing you how to download and install a VPN on your Sony Smart TV. So if you want to change the region or the country of your Smart TV, then you can do that using a VPN. Now the VPN you choose mainly depends on you, okay, the one you want. So for me, I like to use NordVPN. So I'm gonna go to apps and then scroll down and search for NordVPN. Now, if you don't have any specific VPN you're looking for, you can just search VPN and you can choose from the list of VPNs you have. I know one that I want to use is NordVPN because that's the one I normally use. So I'm gonna download that one. Okay. If you like to use
Results for NordVPN.
If you like to use ExpressVPN or some other VPN, that's up to you. There are plenty of VPNs here. Surfshark is a good VPN, ExpressVPN is good, and also NordVPN is good. Even ProtonVPN is a good VPN. Now, most of the good VPNs are gonna have a monthly subscription, so keep that in mind. But of course, you can get some free ones, which I don't want to recommend. Now, find the VPN you want, click on it, and have it installed on your TV. Once installed, just click on open. And from here, you basically need to either sign up for an account if you don't have one or log in, depending on which VPN you're using anyway. So I'm going to log into mine quickly. And now, anytime I want to change the location of my Google TV, so for instance, if I want to change my location to Canada, I'll just come here, select Canada, confirm that's okay. It's gonna find the best server and change my location to Canada. So that is basically how to install a VPN. Now, like I said, you don't have to use ExpressVPN. You can literally use any VPN that you want, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.